All right, guys, so this is a walkthrough for the tolerance activity and how to use tolerances and basically show them within a drawing file. So if you look at Teams, all company users, you're going to see tolerance activity. If we open that up, you're going to see in your version, you're going to see a view only. So as usual, copy workspace. I'm going to call this the walkthrough just so you guys can see all this. And then once that makes that, you're going to see that this is in a part studio. That's okay. You don't have to worry about making an assembly or anything like that. We're going to go into, and after you're done, you're going to go to plus. You're going to go to create a drawing. And again, this is all given to you. I don't know why I said when you're done. Press OK. And then we're going to insert, as you can see these icons right here, you're going to select the part studios rather than just the parts. And you're going to select this, and that allows both parts to be put in at once. So I'm going to select that piece. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to bring it in a little bit bigger ratio just so we can see what we're working with here. There we go. Select that in there, and then I'm going to press escape so that it stays. And basically all these calculations or all these tolerances are in Schoology. So if I look back at Schoology, you're going to see basically this document right here, and this is what I'm going off of when I use these. So you're going to see all these, and your job is to basically create the drawing file and input these tolerances. So in order to do that, first step I'm going to do is the 0.582 with the plus or the limit tolerance. So basically you create just a normal dimension, go and select the piece here, and you're going to see that it's just a normal 0.582. After I press escape, I can double click that dimension and I can do some fun things in here, and this is where the tolerances come into play. So you're going to come into deviation, and as you can see they pop up, and all you're going to do is plug in the upper limit, which is the 0.004, press enter, and as you can see that's how easy, press escape a couple times, that's how easy this one is. So that one's there. The next one is going to be the 0.05, and that's with the plus or minus over here. So like we traditionally do, we're going to do a whole call out. Press the inside circle there, and it's going to come out. Most of it's done. You're just missing this 0.003 here. So I'm going to press escape, double click, and as you can see over here on the side, we can input stuff. So down here is we can insert symbols. So we're just going to insert a plus or minus, and we are going to put 0.003. Press enter and escape, and as you can see that one's all set. And the last one's really easy. Again, you just go to dimension, we say that whole, come out here, press escape, double click, and now instead we're going to create a limit. And as you can see here, it pops open, it shows the differences. We're going to go up 0.005 and we're going to go down 0.005, and the math is already done for you right here. I press enter, I press escape, and that's it. We're going to put our name in the title block, take a screenshot, and submit inside of Schoology. If you have any questions, ask your teacher.